Hey guys, today let's talk about the key events in Othello's life. From hero to heartbroken, Othello's life was a roller coaster. He began as a respected general, winning battles and Desdemona's heart. He married her in secret, defying society, racism, and her furious father. But then came Iago, the master manipulator. Slowly, he poisoned Othello's mind with lies, making him doubt Desdemona. Iago tricks Othello with a lost handkerchief, a tiny object but a powerful idea. He plants evidence and plays on Othello's fears. Othello changed, love turned into jealousy. Othello begins to watch Desdemona instead of listening to her. Jealousy grows like a fire. Blinded by jealousy, Othello kills Desdemona. Only after her death does the truth come out, the lies are exposed, and everyone sees Iago's cruelty. Othello learns the truth too late. He kills himself in sorrow. A proud hero falls because he listened to the wrong voice. Lesson: even great people fail when they trust the wrong friend or the loudest voice. Thank you so much.